Hello students, today we're going to start a new chapter, that is quadratic equation. So in the last chapters we learned about polynomials. So one type was quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomial is of the form quadratic polynomial is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Now what is quadratic equation? When we equate this quadratic polynomial to 0, we get a quadratic equation. So the standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation, where a, b and c are constant. That means it has a fixed value. X is a variable. X is a variable. Okay guys, so that's all you have to know. So if an equation is not of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, then it is not a quadratic equation. So let me give you some examples to show. Now we have to check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Let me write out one equation, and then we have to check whether that equation is a quadratic equation or not. Let me write down one equation. X minus 2 square whole square plus 1 equals to 2x. Let's see whether this equation is a quadratic equation or not. So first thing we need to do is open this bracket, a minus b whole square. This is in the form a minus b whole square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 equals to 2x minus 3. 4x plus 5. Now let's shift the left hand side to the right hand side. Plus 3 equals 0. Now x squared minus into minus is plus, minus 6x. 5 plus 3 8 equals to 0. What do we get here? We get here x squared minus 6x plus 8. So yeah, this is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So when we look at here, what will be a here? A equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, c equals to 8. So yes, this is a quadratic equation. Now if you have your NCERT textbook of class 10, let's do NCERT textbook class 10 exercise 4.1, page number 73. Okay, now check whether the following are quadratic equation. We have to check whether the following equations given are a quadratic equation or not. Let me do number 1. X plus 1 whole square equals to 2x minus 3. Let's check. A plus b whole square formula is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals to 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 is 6. Let's shift this to left hand side. X squared plus 2x plus 2 will become minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 equals 0. 2x will get cancelled, plus 7 equals to 0. See, is this a quadratic equation or not? This is a quadratic equation because we can write this as x squared plus 0x plus 7 equals to 0. Now, sometimes when there is no degree x squared in an equation, then it is not a quadratic equation, okay? But this is a quadratic equation. Now let me give you an example of, let me do one example. This is just an example I'm doing just to show you whether an equation is a quadratic equation or not. Now let me write down x plus 1 plus 8 equals to x plus 2 x minus 2. Let's check whether this is a quadratic equation or not. X into x, x squared, plus x into 1 is x, plus 8 equals to a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square का formula is a plus b, a minus b. So this one we will shorten it and write a square minus b square is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Now x square will get cancelled. Then we have here this is not a quadratic equation because there is no value for x square. Okay, so keep that in mind. In this case, this is a quadratic equation because it has x squared. There's a the degree of the variable here is 2, but here the degree of the variable is not square, so this is not a quadratic equation. So you have to keep that in mind in order to leave confusion. Now in exercise 4.1, question number 1, I will do Roman number let's see, Roman number 7. X plus 2 whole cube equals 2x into x squared minus 1. Now here you need to know the algebraic formulas of algebraic formula. So a plus b whole cube का formula क्या होगा? A plus. Okay, this is Roman number 7. Sorry, my video went off, so I thought my video was on, but I couldn't continue. Roman number 7 is x plus 2 whole cube equals to 2x into x squared minus 1. So this is of the form a plus b whole cube. So you need to know the formula of a plus b whole cube. The formula for a plus b whole cube is this one. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. That's what we applied here. A cube plus b cube, 2 cube is 8 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. B squared 2 into 2 is 4 equals to 2x into x squared is 2x cubed minus 2x into 1 is 2x. Then we got here 3x cubed, 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6x squared plus 3 into 4 is 12x minus 2x cubed. We brought it to the other side plus 2x minus will become plus equals to 0. We get here x cubed minus 2x cubed will give us minus x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 2x is 14x plus 8 equals to 0. See, this has minus x cubed. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c for a quadratic equation. So here the degree is 3, so this is not a quadratic equation. Now I did Roman number 5 here, so let me explain Roman number 5. Here 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals x plus 5 into x minus 1. So here this into this, so what do? We take the first term and multiply the first term with x and with this one also with 3, and the next we take this term and then we multiply this into this into this. So first let's take this one. 2x into x is 2x squared. 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x. Minus 1 into x is x, minus into minus, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Same thing we will do here. X into x is x squared, minus x into minus 1 is minus x, plus 5 into x is 5x, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So 2x squared minus into minus plus 6 plus 1x is 6x plus 1x is minus 7x, plus 3 equals 2x squared plus minus into plus is minus 5x minus 1x is 4x minus 5. Okay, so the next line is 2x squared minus x squared, we put this one here, minus 7x minus, we put this one here, 4x plus 3 minus will become plus 5 equals 0. So here 2x squared minus x squared is x squared minus into minus plus 7 plus 4 is 11x, 3 plus 5 is 8 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus cx, ax squared plus bx plus cx. We can rewrite this like this: ax squared plus minus 11x plus 8 equals to 0, where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 11, c equals to 8. So this is how we do number 5.